Hello everyone! Welcome to Jodoo. This is Roxanne. Today, we're going to explore what the subform is and learn how to utilize it. A subform is a form within another form, acting as a smaller or secondary form embedded inside a main form. Subforms are often used to display or collect related information linked to the data in the main form. The subform field enables you to add multiple subfields and enter multiple subrecords. This field is suitable for the scenario where the format of the input fields is fixed, but the number of input records is uncertain. Let's dive into how to create a subform and explore its various features. In the order management form, you can easily add a subform by dragging and dropping and renaming it as necessary. You can drag the fields from the left panel directly into the subform. Additionally, you can click on Add Subfields in the Field Properties on the right to add fields to the subform. Now, here's something to keep in mind. In Subform, you can add various fields, except for divider, multi-tab, serial number, and subform fields. Once you have added all the required types of fields, you can use the icons in the Subfields section on the right to sort, copy, and delete fields. Also, you can directly click or drag the field in Subform to it to sort, copy, and delete it. Then you can configure the subform in initial value, subfield display rules, validation, field permissions, and subform style. Next, you can configure fields within the subform to meet your needs. The following three configurations are common to all types of fields. Firstly, validation includes three options. Required means that when you fill out the form, this subfield must be filled in. Otherwise, you cannot submit the form. No duplicate values means that the values within the subfield cannot be repeated, and the validation scope includes all data within the entire form. No duplicate values in one record means that the values within the subfield cannot be repeated, and the validation scope is the record in the subfield. Secondly, in initial value, you can choose custom, data linkage, and formula to set the default value for the field. Thirdly, field permissions include view and edit. You can set the permission as you need. In addition, you need to configure specific settings based on the type of field. For example, for a radio field, you need to set the options. For a number field, you can set the range of the numbers that can be entered. Once you have set up fields in the subform, members can start entering records. You can directly click Add to enter a record in a new field. Or, if you already have data entered in an Excel spreadsheet, you can simply click on Add by Paste. Open your Excel spreadsheet, copy the records from the spreadsheet, and paste the records into the popped-up page. Click Next to preview the records. If there are some deviations in the records and parts that need to be adjusted, you can modify the headers and make any necessary changes. Click OK to save the records. After you have entered some records, you can also copy a line of fields and insert a row of fields in the subform. Click on the button next to the serial number to select the field you want to copy or the position where you want to insert a field. That's the functionality of creating a subform in a form and how to enter records in it. It is important to note that the data in the subform will be synchronized with the main form. You can go to Manage Data to check the entered records. If you delete a piece of record in the main form, the data in the subform will be deleted synchronously as well. By now, you have a general understanding of the operational steps and basic functions of using a subform. Next, you can try publishing a subform yourself to realize features in action. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more how-to videos to help you get started with speed and ease.